how to arrange layer on your Wix website editor. To do it, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click these tools right here. And then you want to choose on layers. And right here, the layers panel, you can just choose which one of the section that you want to change, either on the header, on the page, or on the footer. Or the other one to do it. For example, I want to change the layer on my header. And then to do it, you can just click on the header and then do a right click on it and then choose on these overlapping items and then see all layers right here. And keep in mind that in this layers panel, the object at the bottom of the sections of layers panel is the object in the most forward position in the Wix website editor and vice versa. So it means that this strip right here at the very top of the header is the one at the back. As you can see, if you visit my website, my strip that contain a video header is at the very back of my website. And then if I want to make the video at the very forward of the header, I can just choose to drag it all the way to the bottom. And there you go. It will cover up all of my header at once. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.